guys, welcome back to the enrichment project. Today we are going to be learning how to change the color of an object. If you look to the right hand side of your screen, of course you will see your basic shapes. All you would do is basically click that shape and drag it over to our work plane. All right. On the side you will see two different options. As far as that shape, you will click solid. When you get to solid, you will see a variety of colors, some preset colors. You will also be able to click custom, where you can kind of play around with the colors to make those colors. If you have that hex number, and if you don't know what those numbers are, you can actually Google it and try to find your perfect shade. But you can, if you have your hex number, you can type in your hex number here. Down here in the right hand side, you can kind of work on the transparency of it. All right. Now, on our other side, of course, is whole. All right. If you click whole, that means the whole, this is an empty space. There is no color with the whole. All right. So that is the end of our lesson for today with changing the color of an object. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@eprojectga.org, or you can catch us on Facebook or Instagram at eprojectga. We look forward to seeing you for the next project.